Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm just going to jump right into it because I have some deliciousness to share with you guys. And today I'll be sharing with you guys my recipe of creamy broccoli and chickpeas. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need to make this delicious creamy vegetable that the entire family will enjoy. First thing, you're going to need some broccoli, which is the main ingredients. We're going to be using some garlic, some assorted sweet peppers. You can use any amount that you desire. We're going to need some onions. Of course, we're going to need a big tin of chickpeas. That's the one that I chose. We're going to need some coconut milk, heavy cream, and we're going to need some olive oil. Now let's jump right into the preparation. So firstly, you're going to put a pot to preheat and add a little bit of olive oil in it, not too much because you don't want too much oil within. It's just the oil is just to saute our vegetables, which we're going to go ahead and cut up the sweet peppers, the onions, and the garlic, and make this saute to extract all the delicious flavor from it. So you're going to go ahead and just mix that around in the olive oil. Make sure it soak up all this deliciousness and extract all the flavor just the way that we want it within this dish. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and open a tin of chickpeas, rinse it under the pipe really well, and make that drain off. We're going to go over to our sauteed seasoning and add the chickpeas to it. You're going to mix around the chickpeas to make sure that it's get all that flavor. Now I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, which is my all-time favorite. I use all-purpose seasoning in almost everything. Mix that around, and now we can add our broccoli, which I already went ahead and cut up, and make sure you wash that properly. So now you mix the broccoli up, make sure it soak up all that flavor from the seasoning that we put in earlier. And then I'm gonna add half of a bouillon. So I'm just going to distribute the bouillon throughout and mix well so that it's distributed evenly. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut milk. I'm going to add half of that small box, and at the same time I'm going to also add the heavy cream. Now you need to add a little bit less heavy cream than the coconut milk because you don't want the heavy cream to overpower the coconut milk. All the measurements will be in the description box, so don't worry about the amount that you need to use. We're just going to mix it around and make sure that everything sucks up this cream, because this is where we need the flavor to distribute very well. I'm going to cover that and just let that simmer for a few minutes. Within that time, you just go back and check within 3 minutes after you cover the pot to make sure that nothing is sticking. You just gently mix around that because we're steaming here. We don't want anything to be sticking. So after that, you're going to go ahead and close back the pot and check it back within 2 minutes, and there we have it, a perfectly cooked vegetable dish for everybody to enjoy. It tastes delicious. You can also taste it and see if you need to add a little bit more salt. If not, then you just leave it as it is, and you can serve this with just about anything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.